message from Carl Blaine about you. The Scorpion, right? Well, I am the Sloth Demon. If you need a heavy drop or an extraction, I'm your man. You can contact me using the beacons you were given by Blaine.
Time to meet the criminal factions and make some new best friends.
Okay, you get to know the factions real good, Rico. The Roaches are Panau's urban mob. They wear some, how'd I put it, very nice Italian suits while they cut your throat. The Reapers, well, they follow in good old Che Guevara's footsteps. For them, it's all about the land and the people, as long as it's their land and their people. Then there's the Ular Boys, a crazy jungle mob who plan to turn this island into a natural paradise. Meaning, no foreigners, no foreign goods and foreign pop music, dig? And careful, Rico. For sport they dies traitors with their mandaus.
This is Radio Panau, the voice of truth. So listen to it. Today, the President Panay administration issued orders to shut down the international gambling establishment, Panau Falls Casino. In the fracas that followed, the Panau military was forced to intervene as dangerous foreign criminal elements took their native customs to the soil of Panau and attacked police officials with machine guns and explosives. A lone gunman, with ties to famous criminal organizations all over the world, is said to have caused considerable damage before escaping with one of the foreigners due for deportation. The police have issued a warning to the public close to the Panau Falls Casino, as well as an encouragement to report any suspicious activity in the area.
Let me introduce myself. I am Razak Razaman. Some call me Reza. I am the leader of the outfit known as the Roaches.
I hear you might be looking for help.
Right you are. I have heard about your handiwork, Scorpio.
I do what I have to do to get the job done.
Ah, that is good. I hope we can reach a mutually beneficial agreement.
I'll be honest, Mr. Razman. I have my reasons. I'm contracted to find and kill an American.
Interesting. Do tell me more.
A very dangerous man with a price on his head. And they say you are the one to ask.
Indeed. If you work for me, you will enjoy all the benefits of our organization, just like one of our own.
So, I'll work for you, and you keep me in the loop.
Ah, you are very to the point. No chit-chat. I respect that. You have a deal. I am a businessman, Scorpio. I supply what my customers demand. And now the demands of Panau have outgrown my local businesses, and it is time to expand operations. Pelabuhan Saudagar is the greatest harbor in Panau, and has always been a great conduit of contraband for businessmen such as myself. Sadly, the President has locked down the harbor to any commerce other than that of the government. I need you to help us seize that harbor. It is time Pelabuhan Saudagar got a new harbor master. Let my men lead the way.
From here, you lead the way to the heart of the harbor, where I will be able to hack into the compound network and change the control codes. Let's move out! And remember, if I die, this job is a sure fail!
Hostile spotted! Attack! Attack!
We cannot get in! Scorpio, you must find a way inside and open the entrance from there. Hold these positions, Roaches, and cover the Scorpion! The harbor is now open for business! Move out! We must take that next blockade! Keep at it! Ha! They retreat! Move forward! Snipers! Kill them, Scorpio!
He's taking heavy damage. Ah, no!
Good! Move out, Roaches!
I see him now!
All clear! Go, go, go! We're nearly there, Roaches! Look out! Mounted gun! Scorpio, take it out! The coast is clear! Move out! We're here! Scorpio, watch my back while I hack into the system on this terminal. Stand fast now, Roaches! Here come the government dogs! Keep them away, I just need to Okay, hold on, I am almost done. I got it!
Wonderful news! Now Palau will reap the benefits of open trade. Or at least I will.